Basically, a Kamado grill is a egg-shaped grill. It comes from a Japanese background. You know, a lot of them were imported out of Japan. Typically, they're made out of ceramic. This one is the Blaze Kamado. It's unique, made out of 100% cast aluminum. With the Kamado grill, the huge benefit is the versatility of them. The versatility, you know, you can grill, you can smoke, you can bake. Pretty much anything you can do inside your house, you can cook outside your house. You can do desserts, you can do pizzas, you know, standard burgers. As far as the Kamado grills, you know, don't be timid. Experiment with different things. You know, if you're debating between two sizes, either a smaller one and a bigger one, always go with the bigger one, because typically people tend to run out of space as they get more involved and more in tune with cooking. You know, as far as tip, you know, we're a good resource. The best thing is, you know, start with premium ingredients. Start with, you know, premium rub. Start with premium charcoal, premium wood, and, you know, best of all, start with premium meat. And with these, basically has a nice hinge, you know, that's easy assist with the springs. With this, specifically on the grates, on both sides they will lift up, giving you easy access to add more wood chunks, more chips, more charcoal if needed. Plus the grate thickness, it's 304 stainless, so it is going to, you know, withstand the heat. It's going to withstand the elements. With this is how you adjust the temperatures. It has folding side shelves, and it is available either built in or on a cart.